What's up, everybody? Today I have a really beat up Hot Wheels Hot Bird diecast car. I got this back in May from my school. Now, at that time, I was a senior in high school and I was in a film class. And the teacher had assigned us an end of the year final project, which was to create a diorama of a scene based on one of the movies that we watched. And on graduation day, after I graduated, obviously, I went to pick up my Hot Wheels and the stuff that I used. Of course, mine I didn't glue down. So some other group obviously used this and they just left it. So I decided to pick it up. It's got some sort of sticky residue on it. And it's in really rough shape overall. It's been painted over. Horribly done. I don't know why people like painting Hot Wheels. It just looks terrible. Looks like a 2-year-old did this. It's in really bad shape. But this thing will be restored. I just need to get the proper equipment to restore it. And I might even record the restoration process on this item. So once again, this is the Hot Wheels Hot Bird. Thank you guys for watching.